Truman State University is proud to now provide 3D printing services for our students, faculty, and staff. Users can choose between our current stock of 13 different colored filaments, which are extruded from our MakerBot models at 0.2 mm per layer. Items can be chosen from our extensive online file catalog, or if a user is particularly experienced in 3D modeling, they can even design projects of their own. The machines that we currently have are capable of creating some very detailed items, such as this intricately scaled dragon statue, or this jewelry box complete with hinged lid. Even this incredibly complex cathedral. Users can create their very own personal items without even having to leave campus. Users can print items for their favorite hobbies, such as miniatures for tabletop gaming. Make a present for a family member back home. A gift for that special someone. Or a three-dimensional project for class. Come by the Ophelia Parrish 1250 Design Studio to begin your own printing experience. And while you're there, check out some of the other models that we've printed so far.